comment down below on how long you guys think this engine will last with Calvin driving it.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding out front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang.
Alright guys, Friday, got off of work. Andy came by to play Assetto Corsa. He's mad that he sucks at the game and
yeah,
doesn't think it's real life.
I'm not very good at simulators.
He's actually gotten better.
Anyway, what do you guys think about the new cars coming out 2021? I believe there's a concept for a new 86, which looks pretty sick, I'd have to say. It's like very similar, I'd say, to the new Supra, the BMW Supra or whatever.
Well, what I'm gonna say,
but it's all puro Toyota.
It looks like an Accord. To me, the taillights look like an Accord. All right, guys, we're here at Mas Motorsports, right? You can follow him on YouTube. He has a 3S GE beams that me and Andy are gonna check out. We're gonna do a compression test, and you know, we already agreed on a price, so if the compression's good, we're taking the motor. Let's go.
Should I record?
Yeah. Yeah, this is private property. We need the owner's permission to record here.
Is there consent?
What's going on?
You guys have my visual and audio consent, because in California you need to.
Hey,
come right in.
Look, an engine. Cool. The beams.
How do you know if it's a first gen or a second gen? Because one of my friends, they came look at it.
G3. So it's nice having a camera guy. This is nice. It's nice having a camera guy. You know, that's how you made it as a vlogger. That's how you know you made it on YouTube, when someone else holds the camera for you.
So anyways, this is like my 2 crazy projects. Let me see if I can get this done.
So he just bought this car with that engine, and he's gonna sell that engine, that transmission to TiVo, and I'm gonna buy the motor. So TiVo wants a 6-speed, and he bought
TiVo, you up in this bitch? Damn, bro, you still relevant, huh?
Yeah, he's into road racing now, right? Like on the track.
Yeah.
And that's like, okay,
what a loser.
maybe
Gave up on drifting,
right? Anyways, well, I don't want to tell the story of these cars, but he'll tell you the story with this car.
Damn, this shit looks hella. We could fix it. I think my 240 was like that, nah? Oh, never mind.
But look what.
Woo! That's like Tato's car.
Look at the steering wheel. It's right-hand drive. Oh, look, it has an RE. It's right-hand drive.
And then it's locked.
But look,
huh?
the fucking.
It's like a good.
Look, the A-pillar is touching the steering wheel.
Good, like anti-theft price.
Yeah, it's Japanese.
So yeah, believe it or not, both these cars were on eBay and nobody wanted them.
Really?
Nobody wanted them. This one was $600.
No way.
This one was $300.
You're fucking kidding me.
Well, 300. 300.
Oh yeah.
Do your math.
How much was this one?
This one was $600.
I'll give you 7 right now.
No, I'm already tearing it apart.
You're gonna fix it?
Hey, I gotta try, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm basically gonna swap everything from that car to this car, including the right-hand drive.
You get the roof. It's a good roof, right?
Come on.
Nobody wanted this car for $600. The listing expired. It was on a 7-day, no reserve auction, $600. I saw it and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna bid on it, and I forgot to bid on it. And then the guy, it expired, so I mentioned to the guy, hey man, what happened? That you want it? I was like, yeah, I'll take it. And then the next thing you know, it's at my house. So yeah, I'm gonna rip this engine out of here and put it in that one over there. Try it. I'm gonna go out from the bottom because there's no way I could take it off from the top. There's just way too much stuff in the way, and way too much stuff that crunched over.
The pink injectors.
It came with a full HKS exhaust too.
You got headers already.
Yeah, it came with a full HKS exhaust all the way to the back.
If they aren't kinked.
Yeah, you're right. I forgot about that.
This one might be well, Taco Bell, but this one's good.
No way in hell are you getting those headers on a freaking left-hand drive.
Oh yeah, it's possible. Same thing with these. How did you do your headers on this?
I mean, I guess you can technically chop out whatever amount you want, and then you know, close that gap.
I still couldn't believe that
Suck it
nobody
in.
would bid on this car. To me, that's like, why would nobody want this car?
It's because I wasn't on eBay, bro.
Oh, okay, yeah. No one's on eBay actually.
Nobody wanted a project.
I know. All I buy I honestly,
What
yeah.
about this one? This one came with a Beams engine.
Talk about it. I don't know.
Yeah, this one came with a full Beams engine, 6-speed, sitting right over there. Same thing. This thing was on eBay for 14 days. The listing expired. Nobody wanted it. So I private messaged the seller, hey, what do you want to do? He's like, come pick it up for $3,000. And I'm like,
Where did you pick it up, if you don't mind?
oh, it was right there in like Silver Lake.
And it's local?
Yeah, it was local. It was right there in
Oh
Silver Lake.
my goodness.
Yeah.
My thing is, man, why would they do that? We're changing this anyway.
Yeah, that's what most guys do, right? They just hammer it back
I
there.
didn't do shit.
Maybe they were maybe 20 valve before or something.
No, they have this. They did
Maybe
it
in
for
the
this.
past or
They
something.
did it for this.
I mean, I didn't even do that for your
No, you don't need to. And the chassis is a little different, but no, you don't.
Yeah, so this is actually an 86 GTS. I was hoping it was going to be an SR5. That way I wouldn't feel so bad like ripping it apart and putting a new firewall in there. Well, like making the holes for the left-hand drive conversion.
So knowing that you got it, but looking at the inside, it's pretty bare, man.
It's extreme. It's nothing. There's nothing in there. The only thing it came with GTS seats. No wiring harness, nothing, and basically that's it.
So he's gonna convert this car to right-hand drive using those components. Interesting.
I've got no, I don't have any other spare parts, so I'm just gonna have to do whatever it takes to make it so that that chassis fits into this chassis. This is the heat shield for the top, by the way.
Fuck, you're gonna do a compression test with this baby battery?
Dude, that's as good as it gets. Okay, those are.
On the Japanese cars, so we'll see what the timing belt looks like. I'm not trying to, I mean, since I'm gonna have the pan anyway, it's like, do I want to look at the bearings or change the bearings? Do I want to go through all that?
I'll try and get those off with like a little Allen. Nah, impossible.
David, do you not have tools?
Yeah, I have them all at work.
Okay, yeah. David's a mechanic at an unnamed dealership that I used to work at.
We all work there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Everyone that we know worked
you
there.
worked there too, huh?
Yeah, I went back.
Don't lose that ring. Put this ring over here.
Otherwise it leaks.
This is Andy's Tech Tips. Andy's Tech Tips. Andy, explain the function of a compression tester for us.
So when we're talking about ice, and ice goes hand in hand with internal combustion engine, we're talking about the 4 cycles. The 4 cycles of an engine. We
Suck,
got
squish, bang,
blow.
blow.
Suck, squish, bang, blow. Exactly.
Boom, boom. Sure, here, come in on this and let's check out this overspray. Go ahead.
I call it good.
I'm gonna say it's turning over kind of slow, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's turning over kind of slow.
You want to get another draw?
And I mean,
I got like 130.
it's cold.
It's cold, yeah.
No, I would call that good though.
Yeah, okay.
100%.
No, you should turn faster, I agree.
But I mean, if all the cylinders did that, I'd say it's good.
What we're looking for is like inconsistency. So if one of them is at like 130 and the rest of them are like at 90, then you know there's a problem.
Yeah, I'd agree with you.
Okay.
Ready?
Well, that one went up a lot more, but okay. Unless it's warmer, but that's 150.
Well, a bunch of oil fell in that
Yeah,
one.
150, okay, so yeah, okay. Woo, see? Woo! That's a bang, squish bang. All right, guys, so it seems like this is my new engine, welcome to the channel, this is gonna be in my car, and ease of access, I don't have to re-copper coat the head gasket, I don't have to clean a bunch of BS or kept valve seats. Just toss it in, swap the pan, toss it in, swap the pan and toss it in. I don't really have to modify anything. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Thank you, sir. You guys follow Mas Motorsports if you like shitty Subarus
And shitty Corollas.
and shitty Corollas.
That
Okay.
neglected shitty Corollas that nobody wanted on eBay.
Comment down below on how long you guys think this engine will last with Calvin driving it.
What's your warranty?
I'd say I'd give him a solid run and a half until he's out there looking for another Beams.
Here, lower it so I can wiggle it so it doesn't fall. Wait. Oh wow, there's like nowhere to try it.
Here. Look at those.
Lift up the back. Lift up the back. We're gonna hit his back.
This is not a trash can.
Perfect. Okay. Okay, we're gonna push it to one corner.
Leave it right there. Leave it right there.
Right there?
Leave it right there. And then we'll ratchet strap it.
You got straps?
Yeah.
What kind of a truck guy doesn't have straps? Say that one more time.
Thanks so much, guys, for coming out to Mas Motorsports residence. And yeah, go ahead and take the motor and please put it to use. Okay, I don't have the skill or the necessary driver mod to make this work in my Corolla, so I'm passing it on to Kelvin, passing on the torch.
Right.
Please get it running.
Thank you, Mas Motorsports, for the engine. If you guys need any Subaru or shitty Corolla parts, hit up Mas Motorsports.